You know you're a Mac user when you dust off the table before you put your Mac down. You feel icky when you let someone else use your Mac. The Apple keynote is way more important than the Super Bowl. You feel a kinship and a warmth when you meet someone and you find out that they're a Mac user. You feel the need to tell everybody that you were a fan even while Apple was failing. You look at new friends differently when you find out that they're a Windows user. You try the two-finger scroll on every computer that you use and you get pissed when it doesn't work. You get both excited and scared when the new updates come out because you want those features, but you know it might ruin your life. Floppy disks, CDs, DVDs, gone. MagSafe, headphone jack, physical escape key. You wince and feel actual pain when somebody says they use Hotmail or Boot Camp. You have an Apple sticker on your car, on your bicycle helmet, on your speakers, on your microwave, and on your TV. You get excited anytime anybody says, but there is one more thing. You have iPhone chargers in your car, in your bedroom, in your office, in your living room, in your bag, and in your pocket. Your bag has a sleeve for the laptop sleeve. You are personally offended anytime anybody types iPhone with a capital I. Capital I. Ugh. If you want someone awesome and totally not condescending to come to you and take all of your technology challenges off your mind, head to Macinhome.com because you've got way better things to do with your time. You feel the need to tell everybody that you were a fan even while Apple was failing in the late 90s. I don't actually know if they were failing in the late 90s. Is that true? Yeah, because that was like the clone years or whatever. Yeah. I'm going to leave that out though.